mornings in D-Mall. Wala masyadong tao. Time check 8:25. Hindi pa lang open ng mga stores. Day 2 in Boracay. Sobrang daming lumot.
Church hopping. Hanap kami ng church. Kailangan namin magsimba.
Okay.
Saan siya ito? Yung way na yan.
The city's slow. I take a seat, let the moment flow. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. Stir slow, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours, I feel at ease. Like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, the sun slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. Lost my eyes, just the afternoon light and the simple joy. Everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just be me. The counting fades, a peaceful hum. The world slows down and I just become lost in the rhythm of a quiet day, where every small thing lights the way.
Day 3.
Ay, day 3 na ba to?
Oo, te. Oo, yun nandun, Bessie.
A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. Stir it slow, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours, I feel at ease. Like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, the time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light. In the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free. In these sweet moments, just being me.
Day 4, Mima. Good morning. Ako ay bibili ng pandesal. Ay, may taho, Mi!
Tagal lang.
Ay, taho, kuya.
Itchy.
Baker King. Malang tinapay ito, 10 pesos isa. Sa online lang po. Salamat po.
Ito po.
Mabait naman ang mga tao na to. Food alley, 100 pesos. Sa kanila.
Pwede tayo tutulog ang person.
Anong day na, Mima?
Day 4.
Dapak siya. Second grocery. Day 4. Day 4 pa lang nakapag second grocery na. Hanggang ano na to? Hanggang
Ano na to?
day 20. Hanggang March 20 na to.
Hanggang ano mo lang yan, hanggang Monday mo lang yan.
Sobrang OA eh.
Oo, tama.
Monday?
Kasi yung puro tayo lakad kung sa pagod-paguran talaga. So lalakad ka talaga.
Good luck. Libre ang dinner natin today.
Ay, oo. True.
Oh. Tapos may dinner sa Saturday.
Ay,
Okay. Dapat pala siya, libre niyo to.
sasaksakin kita, Ti. Sabi ko
Nagagalit na siya. Sabi ko, dito na po mawawasak. Welcome Philippines! Ay, tulog pa din siya. Ayaw mo mag-sleep.
Day 5 na, di ba? Yeah. Day 5. Here in Boracay. Si Meridor lagi titignan yung samgyup. Parang gusto na mag-samgyup eh.
Parang last day.
Ano ba siya gusto titignan yung samgyup na yan? Saan tayo kakain? Jollibee! Day 5 Jollibee. Ano ka dyan? Hi. Aesthetic. Lock the door when you leave. Ganyan lang nagagawa ng day 5. Sunday in Boracay. As someone told me lately. Ay, ito. Wala na naman si Nicole. In Boracay, it's Sunday and sobrang dami pa rin tao. This is what March looks like. Yan, sobrang dami tao. Day 7. Pwede ba kayo dito ng beach towels? Oh, baka maano ka. Baka maano ka. Going summer na kaming dalawa lang this time.
You're the solo.
Ay, agay! Wala! Ay, coffee. Ay, very cute. Thank you po!